all jacked up. My visor came apart. I'm happy it didn't fly off. That would suck ass, but at least it didn't fly off. I put it back together. Everything is okay and fucking... Oh, what the hell's going on, man? Look at all these cars flying like they stupid or some shit. Stupid ass people, man. Non-courtesy, man. That is a non-courtesy accident.
Yeah. Hey, yo, Dane. Let me take them high real quick. Real high. I wanna get high with you. I wanna get high with you. I wanna get high with you, if that's what you want me to. Now blaze up, I wanna get high.
Really, you fucking dick? What the fuck? You need to watch where you're going, man. Watch where you're going. Alright, we're good. We're good. If I would have had my camera going on the car. Oh man, saying what's up? What's up? Saying what's up? Oh. I gotta spin a spot. That is one Sanford and Son style like truck. Let's take a look at it. Damn, homeboy got garbage for days. Hey, look. It's a camera. Yeah. Just so everything's seen. Say what? No. All right, you have a good one.